Honestly, this could be the intro. Locs who? I don't know her. I really don't.
She said, listen.
Because what? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am about to get my hair done. As you can see, I'm putting Marley twist over my locks. I attempted to do this before, but it was like a disaster. So that's what this video is gonna be. You see we have the hair already going in the back, so keep watching if you want to see me get Marley twist installed over my hair.
Alright, so we've already retwisted her base, which you see here. So you're gonna take your 2 strands, you're gonna unroll them from the root. And you're just gonna start a normal 2 strand, just so you start a normal 2 strand, and maybe about 2 or 3 loops, you're gonna stop. That's when you're gonna grab your kinky twist, Marley twist hair, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to add 1 section here, and 1 here. Excuse the man in the background. And you're going to proceed with doing your 2 strand twist once you fed in the Marley hair. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And you're just going to continue to twist. Remember to always twist and overlap. Twist and overlap. And you're just going to do that all the way down. All the way down. Twist and overlap. That's how you're gonna get the perfect twist. You always have to remember to twist, then overlap. Straighten out your hair as needed, and just continue to do a 2 strand twist as you would if there was no added hair. Now here where it gets a little tricky, see her ends are a little blunt here because she has very mature locks. You're gonna try your best to use the Marley hair to cover up her natural lock as much as you can. I mean, keep in mind this is added hair, so it's not going to be perfect, but just try your best to cover up the lock. And then you're just going to continue with that motion. Twist and overlap. Twist and overlap. All the way down. So before we go into the next one, you can see her end is a little blunt here. We're just going to use our handy dandy crochet tool. And we're going to come through the twist. And we're just going to grab that. And all we're going to do is just pull it right through. Imperfection fixed. I'm going to do it one more time. Remember to always moisturize your strands just so that'll give you an even better blend. And remember, like we did the first one, we're just going to start off with the normal 2 strand. Twist, over, twist, and over. At this point, now that we have a basic 2 strand twist started, we're going to grab your Marley hair of choice. We're going to lay it right over. Make sure you get your 2 strands in there. And you're just going to continue the same motion. Twist, overlap. Twist and overlap. Twist and overlap. It's just a normal 2 strand. You're just feeding in Marley hair. Remember what I said here when we get to the bottom, to try our best to try to conceal her ends because she does have mature locks as much as we can, but if they pop out, we can just use our crochet hook and we can just pull those right in to give that seamless blend in look. At this point, you're just going to continue to twist down. Remember, the key to success is to twist and overlap, twist and overlap.
This is cute. Thanks to Miss Tiana.
You're welcome.